Hi communicators, it's Professor McNamara with some nuggets of wisdom from chapter 3, which is cultural communication. You'll see at a lot of larger colleges that cultural communication is actually an entire class, not just one chapter of an interpersonal class, but an entire class. So there's a lot of valuable information here, but I want to really focus on two terms that I know will be on your upcoming exam, if not this week's quiz, and it's individualistic culture versus collectivistic culture. And so when you read that section of the textbook, it makes it sound like individualistic are very selfish. You know, I'm in it for me, take care of your own, stay in your own lane kind of a thing. Where collectivistic, they make it sound like they're so wonderful, they believe in helping out the whole community and the whole culture, which sounds great in the textbook, but I want you to think about the last time you were on an airplane. A lot of times the flight attendants will say, in case we lose cabin pressure, you will have an oxygen mask, and make sure you secure, your own oxygen mask before you attempt to help anyone else. And I used to travel with my children, and I thought, what a dirt bag that makes me. Like, sorry kids, mom's getting her oxygen on. But as I read through this and as I really thought about these two different kinds of cultures, it makes perfect sense. If I am passed out due to lack of oxygen, I'm of no assistance to my two small children. And that's what we talk about with individualistic. They are concerned with their own needs and meeting their own needs, but they're doing that in the idea that once their own needs are met, then they will have time, effort, and energy left over for others. Where collectivistic, not a bad thing either, their first goal is the community, and sometimes it's to their own detriment. Okay, so keep in mind, individualistic, yes, it is about your own individual self, where collectivistic is more about the larger group, but that does not make either one better than the other. I'd like to think that we're all a little bit of both. Stay in your own lane, take care of yourself, make sure your own bills get paid and you've got enough for everything you need, and then there will be enough left over for you to help out the collectivistic area